Hello and welcome to the Flipsite website builder. In this video, we're going to create a Contact Us page with a list of all our employees. This is what the end result will look like. All our employees from the CMS listed nicely next to each other. Now let's go ahead and create this. The employees are already listed in our CMS, including a picture, a name, a title, and contact information. First, let's add a grid that will contain all our employees. A grid layout will vary based on how big of a screen you're using to view the page on. Now, let's add a flex vertical layout inside the grid layout. Every employee will be placed inside this flex container, and for every employee inside the container, we'll add an image containing their picture, another vertical container containing a heading and a paragraph for their name and title. Let's sort these components so it looks like we want it to look like. We're done with the structure of the page. Now, let's add our CMS data to see what it looks like. We'll repeat all the contacts in our CMS collection inside the grid. We can add filters to only repeat a certain amount or only list certain people. But in this case, let's have everybody on the page. Then we'll bind the data from the CMS collection into the image, heading, and paragraph. We're done with hooking up the data to our structure, but let's make it a bit prettier. For the grid, let's align all the items from top to down. For the image, we'll add the same aspect ratio for all images. In this case, 4:3 looks pretty good. For the name of the person, let's make the text a little bit smaller. And for the title, let's change the size. And color to match our primary color. And let's also change the weight of the font. Now, when we check it out, it looks pretty good, but I'd still like some more spacing between the components, so let's add a bit of gap to the container's layout that contains these three components. And one more thing, let's add a new employee to our company. I'll head over to the CMS and add an image from Unsplash, a name, a title, and an email address. Before we're done for the day, I think I'll add a link to send an email to the person when clicking on them. Perfect. Everything is as we want it, nicely aligned. The new person on the site, and when hovering over them, we can see the click action is to send an email to them. This is the power of having content and design separately. Now go ahead and try it out yourself. Flipsite is free to use and sign up, so head over to flipsite.io.